Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's episode is we are going to Vietnam. Okay, so I am very excited to go to Vietnam kasi I've seen a lot of TikTok posts regarding sa mga shopping districts or shopping center nila doon, and I'm really excited to see those clothes and hopefully makabili ako kahit isa man lang. But it's our first time to go in Vietnam, and itutour ko kayo around, and I will recommend you some clothes for men. And also, if may makita ako na for women, I will also include this to my vlog. Hey guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Vietnam. Hello! So, nandito na kami sa Grab, guys. And papunta na kami sa aming hotel. And look at, parang Manila lang siya. This is our first time. So, yung first impression namin is like, parang Manila siya. First impression, ang daming motor. Dora ka lang sa Makati. Hey guys, so we're here at Bon Cha Hugom. It's a local restaurant here. So, ito lang yung nakita namin kasi puro coffee shops. So sabi namin hindi na kami magkakape kasi gusto namin matulog after, and nag-order lang kami ng mga foods nila pero wala silang pho. So baka tomorrow ito try namin yung pho kasi ito yung famous nila dito sa Vietnam. Good morning guys, it's our second day here in Ho Chi Minh, and itutour ko kayo sa aming room, pero medyo makalat na siya guys kasi tinulugan na namin and naka-ano na yung mga gamit namin. But this is our room. We are located at the center. So this is City House Ariosa. I actually found this on TikTok. So this is the toilet. Meron silang kitchen area. Sobrang kalat. And this is the bed. Sobrang kalat na. Hindi ko pa naayos. And also, meron silang TV. And meron silang balcony. And actually, sa comments, nag-aano yung mga tao kasi ang ingay daw ng mga chicken. Ang ingay daw nila. Pero, para sa akin, parang nasa ano ka lang. As you can hear. Pero para sa akin, guys, parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Tapos, yung mga manok yung gigising sa inyo pagka umaga, di ba? It feels like, Philippines. Ewan ko ba kung nareklamo silang ingay daw, pero para sa akin, hindi siya maingay. So, today is pupunta kami ng gym. And mag-workout na kami ng konti. Then after, pupunta kami sa mga coffee shops and shopping center. So, we're going to the gym right now. So, this is the gym. The thing is, yung mga nag-work dito sila natutulog. Yan. So, nahiya kaming pumasok kasi natutulog sila. And buti na lang tinanong ko if pwede bang mag-gym. So, sabi nila, okay naman daw. Hey guys, get ready with me as I wear my outfit for today. This is my whole look. We're on our way to XL3 Coffee. Welcome to La Paz Plaza. Yung weather dito guys, parang Pilipinas lang din. Pero kagabi, sobrang init. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit sobrang init. Parang may heat wave. Pero ngayon, parang okay lang. Tolerable. Maraming restaurants dito guys. Also coffee shop. If you are a coffee lover, actually, you will love this place kasi sobrang daming coffee shop.
Filipino. Oh, really? You look so much like European to me.
Like what?
You look so much like European to me. So in here, we will show you coffee time to show you all the information like the origin, the tea, and the flavor like fruits and flowers. So we'll have these two. These are the basic coffee.
Exam. May exam kami ngayon.
Cheers. See you again. Enjoy your stay in Picnic.
Thank you.
So we love our coffee. It's a bit expensive, but you know.
May mga nagpo-photoshoot guys. So hindi tayo magpapaperde. Charing.
Maganda yung outfit.
Hindi tayo magpaperde, linti. So we are heading to Compound Garment. Nga may mga deal. Nice. This is really nice. Look at that. That's the details. This is the next look. I love it. Most especially the pants, guys. Look at that. Ganda. Guys, so I got goods. So we're now heading to the Idiot. And ayun, naghanap ako ng shirt kasi wala akong shirt eh. Puro ganito yung mga damit ko. Puro pang gym, pang init. Naghanap ako ng t-shirt. So sana may mahanap tayo. Muna pa namin yung mga shopping guys. Di ba kami nakapag-lunch? Pero sige lang. So we're here in Kong Cafe. So this is our second coffee of the day. Hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch but still coffee is life. This is Kong Cafe. I recommend this one, yung may coconut.
It's one of their signature coffees.
And yung kay Kirby is yung Vietnamese. Masarap din. But this one, top tier. Namit! So we're here at the Idiot. Tapos punta ko. Gimana? Yes. With the very hot.
Samaritan pa talaga.
Yes. Masakit na yung paa ko, guys. Hey guys, so wala kami may nakitang maganda doon. Actually, may nakita kami maganda but hindi siya fit sa body ni Kirby. Yes, hindi siya masyadong fit. So, we're heading to Lider. So, we're heading to Lider. And nasa Grab kami guys. Alam niyo ba kung magkano lang yung Grab? 20 pesos lang. Kasi sa mga offers nila. So, mas maganda kasi masakit na yung bako. And magbabayad ka lang naman ng 20 pesos. Love this. Look at that. So nice. Thank you.
Ma'am Jo, oh. Van Cleef, Ma'am Jo, oh. Shout out, tita. Wish you were here.
Hey guys, so we're here at the new playground. So let's go inside. So maghanap-hanap na muna kami dito guys, and mag-haul na lang ako later kasi sakit na talaga ako. Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa parang ano tawag sa building na to? Building na puno ng shops. Like that. Pero parang ang creepy ng feels, but it's full of shops.
It's like one of those buildings you won't expect to have shops.
Mm-hmm.
Abandoned building.
Tingnan nyo naman guys. Yung situation namin dito. Finally guys, makakakain na kami. But parang hindi ko gusto yung sa menu. So isang pagkain lang in-order namin and maghahanap kami ng another restaurant. Pero ginudge ko na talaga sa menu. Basta makakain lang and sobrang pagod na. Sobrang pagod na. So, oh my god. Hey guys, fit check for today. So, this is my look for today. This is from Shein. My glasses from Shein. Also, my top is from Shein. My watch is from Adidas. My pants is from Compound Garment. And also, my shoes is from Doc Martens. Lastly, my bag, Louis Vuitton, just to tie the look. So this is my look for today. Let's go! And now, inintay lang namin yung Grab namin kasi pupunta kami sa Cook Gak. And dun kami magla-lunch kasi lunchtime na kami nakaalis dito sa hotel. And ayan, sobrang gutom na ako guys. Reviewer. Hey guys, so nakapag-order na kami and umalis si Kirby ngayon kasi naiwan niya yung wallet niya sa hotel. So ako na lang mag-isa dito ngayon. And I guess marami kaming in-order. Hindi ko lang alam pero parang ang dami naming in-order kasi siguro hanggang mamaya na to guys kasi gagala tayo later. Pero actually wala naman kaming itinerary but mas mabuti na makakain kasi kahapon di talaga kami nakapag-lunch. Late mga dinner na kami nakakakain guys kasi sobrang pinunta namin yung lahat ng mga shops dito and sobrang pagod na. Hindi ko na videoan yung sa dinner namin. Hopefully yung kokgak masarap kasi I saw this from David Gison's vlog. Actually, tinitingnan ko yung mga recommendations nila dito sa sa Ho Chi Minh nila na vlog. Oh my gosh. Kirby, asan ka? Hey guys, I so love the food. Do you love the food?
It's good. So nice.
What's your rate?
9.8.
Bakit 9.8? Hindi masarap yung grilled cheese. Same, hindi ko rin kinain yung ano, tawag doon? Spring rolls. Parang ganun. I don't like it, but sarap lahat. Hey guys, so papunta kami ngayong Okyo Cafe. Kasi kaping-kape na ako guys. Inantok ako sa ano, sobrang kain. Amo na ba yung ang tuko, kadako, sa banyo? We're heading to Feng System. Feng System. Sa third floor shop. Pero tingnan nyo naman guys. For the horror. So, nag-mall kami kayo. Kasi sobrang init sa labas. So, umalis na kami ng mall. So, we're here at Moydian. It's nice. Bet ko nito. Guys, nakakahanap namin ng stores dito. Kailangan mo lang pala mag-look up. Kasi tingnan nyo. Lahat ng stores nasa taas. It's like the whole building. Pero kahapon pa kami paikot-ikot dito, tapos ngayon lang namin nakita. Ngayon ko lang nakita, so kailangan namin hanapin kung saan naakyat. Para mapuntahan yung mga stores. O, bumili na naman siya. Ilang tawa man bala, kundi ara ka lang bala sa Central. Aray. Ang alagyan, ang tawa. Pero nakita ko sa TikTok, mas maraming shops dito. Guys, hindi ko na talaga kinain. Bumili na ako ng damit guys. Sobrang init na kasi. Yung look. Sobrang init. So, change outfit. Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Tuleju. Ano ba? Tuleju. So, mga pastries and all from Korea. And matagal na namin tong gustong kainin. This one, the tissue bread. Si ano man yun? Si sino kanya? Mga tistabla sa Manila. Joshua? Joshua Alim. Ito lang yung nabili ko guys. Wala akong masyadong may nabili ngayon. Kasi sobrang nag-chill lang kami today. And sobrang init kasi. Let's get coffee. Wala na naman itulog guys. May mga pena naman kami. Ayun po. Hey guys, coffee number 2 for the day.
I'm still sleepy.
Yes. Ang dami kasi magagandang coffee shops dito. So, naglalakad-lakad lang kami ni Kirby. And nakita namin to, yung very aesthetic, yung facade ng coffee shop. So, pumasok na lang kami. And actually, naka-less pa kami guys. Kasi sabi nila, from 6 p.m. daw, merong less 20% yung coffee nila. So, ayun. Di naka-less kami ng coffee. Tapos wala na lang tulugan later. So, aalis na naman kami tomorrow, mga after lunch na naman. Weird. Pero na-meet. Ng cold brew. This is, ano ganyan tawag din? Coconut cold brew. Ay, kailangan gali i-mix. Bobo. So, what are your thoughts about Ho Chi Minh?
What do I think about Ho Chi Minh? Siguro sa first night, I didn't like it that much. TBH. Because it felt like, when you go to another country and it feels like just the Philippines. I'm not saying that to degrade the Philippines, but when I go to a certain country, you want to experience something different. But when I went here, on the first night, I was like, do Pilipinas mo lang.
So how
But-
about Japan? Yung first night mo sa Japan? Did
No,
you
Japan is a whole different world.
Okay.
So yeah, let's not talk about Japan. So yeah, Ho Chi Minh is nice. It is really, really nice. When you just give it a chance and explore and go out to different parts of the city, you'll find how it's so distinctly different from other Asian countries. And
especially the shops. And
yes, the shops are so good. You'll find shops in the most unexpected buildings and the sketchiest hallways and stairways. Like in the middle of a wet market, you'll find a really good shop, and yeah, it's interesting. It's a very interesting country with very delicious food, coffee. Yeah, it's a good city.
Bigla na lang naging podcast. But it feels like Bali without the beach, but different when it comes to shopping because the designer clothing, like most especially the young designers here.
No, I think it's
Why? The Bali, like Bali.
Bali is different. Bali
Yeah,
is so
yeah, pero the vibe and all. One problem lang, sobrang init, like Philippines talaga.
Init man di.
Ha?
Init man di.
Yan one problem, super init like Philippines.
Dire.
Yeah. So, that's all for tonight, guys. Yeah, hindi na kami magtanga, guys. Hey guys, good morning. It's our day 3 here in Ho Chi Minh. And today I am wearing a Cyrex Moiko top. Thank you so much, Ryan Hinahinay, my stylist friend, na pinahiram niya sa akin. Also, Zara na shorts and New Balance na sneakers. Simplihan lang natin ngayon, guys, kasi kahapon hindi ko talaga kaya yung init. And also this bag that I borrowed from Kirby, this is from Black New. It's really nice kasi it fits my outfit well. So we are heading to Kaus 2 just to check on their apparels. Panakinaan. Yes, ginuna pang bag. Eh, ang plan is malakad-lakad kami if ever makakita kami ng kainan. So doon na kami kakain. Kaya tamad na ako mag-search kung saan. So, yan na lang. Divine Mercy. Divine. And guys, meron palang release na magko-concert si Lady Gaga sa Magko-concert si Lady Gaga sa Singapore this coming May. So, nga rin isa, gasala-sala. That's it, guys. Browse lang kami dito, guys, ng mga gamit. Tapos meron ko dito. Dala sa design curve. Magaganda yung pieces, most especially sa mga curves like this. Look at this. Ito. This one, may pa-backless. And may mga sale items sila for like 1,200 ata yung price. It's nice. Brown dress. Tago ko naman yung banh mi. So nice. At the details. Alright, so we're here at the Pasay apartment. Let's go take some ingay! cute niyo. This is our egg coffee. Thank you so much. We're here at Madame Kuyen Food and Coffee. So, nadaanan namin and sobrang gutom na si Kirby. So, dito na lang kami kakain. And maghahanap kami mamaya ng mga super aesthetic na coffee shops kasi for our second coffee. Right? Hey guys, so nasa Manila Bay na kami. Look. Pero sa tood lang, kabudlay magtabok. I'm strict. I'm so strong, but I'm strict. I'm so stressed and I'm not that strong. Alam nyo guys, yung Highlands dito, napakasosyal ng mga locations, ng aesthetic. Pero sa Pilipinas, nasa City Mall, sobrang liit niya. Pero dito, sobrang ganda ng Highlands na coffee. Hey guys, good morning. So we're here at somewhere around the corner. Kasi naghahanap kami ng food, pero dito kami bigla nakapunta, and it's really nice. Pero parang close yung mga stores nila. So nag-fit check na lang muna kami. And then pupunta na lang kami ng Bentan Market. And ayun, doon na lang kami maghanap ng food. So, this is my look for today. Thank you so much. How much?
40. 40.
40? Hey guys, so today is pupunta kami ng Bentan Market. Inantay lang namin yung Grab na pumunta. And siguro doon na lang kami kakain kasi wala talaga kami nahanap sa area na kainan. And ayun, at hindi namin maintindihan guys, kanina kami sa parang turo-turo. Pero parang hindi namin bet yung food. So doon na lang kami maghahanap. And kakainin natin? Pho? So siguro kakain na lang kami ng pho doon. So guys, bumibili kami ngayon ng kape dito. So gayo kami ni guys para may discount. You give me big discount, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Some choco, you know.
Okay.
Choco.
How much everything? What 1K?
Cannot
Make it 1K for the vlog. Hello.
Hello.
Hello to Philippines.
Yeah, okay. I say discount.
Yeah, give me
more.
discount.
Discount many.
Yes, give me discount. Make it 1 million. Can you model?
Oh, I cannot.
You model.
So you very famous.
What?
Very famous.
No, we're not famous.
University. Miss Universe.
Yeah,
Miss Universe.
Yeah.
You want to join? Sobrang nakakatawa yung dalawang babae guys. But still, dami nilang pinamigay sa amin. So ngayon, naghahanap kami ng bag para sa mama niya.
Mama mo.
Sa mama mo. Naghahanap kami ng bag para sa mom niya. And di pa namin alam kasi different kasi yung style dito, medyo streetwear. Street style, I mean. So, hindi naman streetwear, street style si tita. Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa grocery store. And eto, binili ko. Nescafe. Nescafe Viet. So dito lang to available. So kinuha ko na kasi yung coach ko nagpabili. I got the stuff. Let's go! So nag-crave ako ng banh mi. And tamang-tama, merong banh mi dito. Look. At the... Ay, wait lang. But close. Close na. What the F? Ay, wala nang banh mi, guys. Well, ayan na natin. Maghanap na lang tayo ng another banh mi here. Banh mi here. Guys, I got the banh mi. Pero hindi siya mainit. Masarap ba? Mas masarap yung last time, yung may egg. In-order ko. Pero hindi siya nasarapan, pero masarap yun. Magtatry ulit ako ng banh mi tomorrow. So plan namin is gumising ng umaga, maaga. So we're here now at Walking Street. Red light district nila dito, guys. Hey guys, good morning. It's our last day here in Ho Chi Minh and nagpapack na kami ng gamit kasi may flight na kami mamaya. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.